Hello everyone. Today we are diving into the Li Auto L6 and the Tesla Model Y, two heavyweights in the EV market. Which one offers better design, tech and comfort? Let's break it down. If we talk about Li Auto L6, the L6 leans into a bold muscular design and a prominent grille, blending futuristic elements with traditional SUV rigidness. Lighting: full width LED light bar and angular headlights for a distinctive nighttime presence. Practicality: slightly larger dimensions than Model Y, offering more cargo space and a focus on family friendly utility. Now let's talk about Tesla Model Y. Tesla has smooth aerodynamic curves with the signature Tesla profile. No grille, hidden door handles, and a panoramic glass roof. Instantly recognizable but criticized for lack of design evolution across models. Dominates as a global bestseller but faces stiff competition in China from local brands like Li Auto. If we talk about the interior and comfort of Li Auto L6, premium materials like Napa leather, wood trim and ambient lighting is employed here. Quad screen setup with voice control and 5G connectivity. Seating is spacious, second row with reclining seats and massage functions, ideal for long trips. The cabin of Tesla Y is a single 15-inch touchscreen controls everything, paired with a clean, uncluttered dashboard. Seamless over-the-air updates and advanced driver assistant features like autopilot. However, recent updates in China such as rebranded Intelligent Driving Assistant have faced criticism for falling short of Tesla's US FSD capabilities. Historically inconsistent, though recent models show improvement in build quality. Tesla's tech is iconic, but Li's multi-screen luxury might sway families. Now let's talk about the technology and autonomous driving of both vehicles. If we talk about Li Auto L6, hybrid powertrain is provided, extended range EV system with a gasoline generator for longer trips, appealing in regions with charging infrastructure gaps. Autonomous features: Level 2 plus ADAS with adaptive cruise control and automated parking, but lacks Tesla's FSD ambitions. Tesla's FSD Chinese version partnered with Beidou to integrate high precision maps for lane markings and traffic lights. However, the Chinese FSD is less advanced than the US version due to data restrictions and relies on driver supervision. OTA updates: Tesla's edge lies in continuous software improvements, though the $8,500 upgrade cost for Intelligent Driving Assistant has disappointed some users. Tesla's FSD has potential, but regulatory hurdles in China gives Li's practical hybrid tech an edge. Now let's talk about the pricing of both vehicles. Li Auto L6 price is likely positioned below the Model Y in China. Estimated price is RMB 300,000 to RMB 350,000, targeting cost-conscious buyers seeking luxury. Local advantage: tailored for Chinese roads and consumer preferences with strong after-sales support, Li Auto L6 stands out in China. And about the Tesla Model Y, the premium pricing starts at RMB and Tesla Model Y the pricing starts from 360,000 RMBs in China with optional upgrades inflating costs. And the Tesla Model Y faces competition due to the local rivals like BYD and Xpeng, which offers similar tech at lower prices. So my final verdict: which one is better? So you would choose Tesla if you prioritize cutting-edge software, global brand prestige, and future-proof autonomy. Choose Li Auto L6 if you value luxury interiors, hybrid flexibility, and localized features at a competitive price. Tesla's tech pioneer, but Li's playing the long game in China. Which would you pick? Drop your thoughts below. You don't forget to subscribe.